What's going on, folks? Here is the all-new redesigned Horizon series from Four Winds. This is the H2 21-foot boat. Denim blue with the black accent. Four Winds did a great job redesigning this for all the luxury feel and still have that Four Winds DNA, a nice vertical stem in the front, color matching trailer, mag wheels. This one is the outboard version with the Merc 200. Just look at the back end here, wow. Matte flooring. This is the best part. One of my favorite boats in the showroom right now. Beautiful interior. Step in here. Bow filler cushions for the front. Leather wrapped handles. Really nice design. It's the back seats here. Flip back here. All handles are leather wrapped. Standard touchscreen SIMRAD, GPS chart plotter, stainless steel toggle switches, kicker stereo system. This is a 10-passenger boat.